Good day everybody and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will be cooking some prawns with butter and garlic. We are currently deveining it and cleaning it, and then we will prepare it for you. I have asked my husband to help because we have bought 1 kilo, so it's a lot of work. So let's just follow us on the video and we'll see each other later. So finally, after a while, we have now taken out the veins and we have beheaded it, and now we're going to start the cooking process. Garlic, chili, and some hot chili sauce, salt and pepper, paprika, tandoori masala. Would you want it spicy or not spicy?
Spicy.
So we will make it spicy. I have some garlic oil and some sweet chili sauce, some butter for the preparation. Okay, so let's get cooking. So now I'm gonna dab the prawns a little with a paper towel so the excess water will be taken away, just so that it doesn't have too much water inside from the rinsing. Yeah, okay. So let's start. And some butter to make it very nice. So now the onions and the garlic is bubbling, and I'm going to put in my prawns. I'm adding some lemon to give some nice flavor. Also, it's going to make it so tasty. You can also add lemon zest, just to give it an extra bit of flavor. So delicious. then we will prepare our noodles and then enjoy. Lastly, our Thai sweet and chili sauce, and just to give some extra flavor to it, and then the dish will be done. I will reduce the heat and let it simmer for 5 minutes.